In this video, we're going to answer the question of how to sort Python dictionaries by value. Now, if you're using Python 3.7 or better, you're in luck. They changed how this worked, and I actually hadn't noticed this behavior until now, which is dictionaries preserve their order of insertion. So all you have to do is put them in the right order, and they'll stay that way, and that's new behavior. That was not that way for most of Python's existence. So we're going to start here with a simple example. I'm going to do a jumbled dictionary which has 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 1, 2, 4. So definitely not in order. But now we want to sort it not by the key, but by the number value here. So I'm going to do sorted, and on that I'm going to sort jumbled items. So that's going to pull back the pairs, the key value pairs. And then the key, I'm going to take the second item there. So it's going to be the value, and I'm going to sort on that. And then when I get back this, it's going to be a list of tuples, and I'm going to turn it back into a dictionary. But in this new world of Python, that dictionary is going to stay in that order. So there we go. Run it. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4. It has been sorted by the values, and you're done. Now, what about if you're on an older version of Python? Sad news for you, my friend. You can't do this. You're not guaranteed that those keys will stay in that order. Now, the next best thing is you got to turn it into a list or a tuple that is sorted and use that versus using the original dictionary. So if you notice, this is the same expression I did up here, except I didn't turn it back into a dictionary. So I sorted it again, but I left it as a list of tuples that are in the correct order. So that's it. Subscribe to this video and hit that like button down there. It helps me build an audience, and I'll see you in the next one.